Welcome to Hexbreaker Tech. Today, we're embarking on a VBA journey that will add a little bit of flair to your Excel user forms. Imagine having your forms equipped with the poor man's version of a high-tech functionality coming from a Star Trek spaceship. Start by visiting our GitHub repository, your personal tech bazaar. Download the Minimize Maximize Icon.base module. Think of it as unlocking the power of a secret gadget in a spy movie. Next, open your VBA editor in Excel. This is like entering the control room of a futuristic spaceship. Import the Minimize Maximize Icon.base file, and you're set to give your forms a minor upgrade. Now let's get those maximize and minimize buttons into your user form. By using the Add Maximize button and Add Minimize button subroutines, you're not just adding buttons, you're equipping forms with the same basic controls you'd find in a low-tech command center from a basic low-budget sci-fi movie. Run your user form and watch as it transforms. Your maximize and minimize buttons will now add sleek functionality, giving your forms a cutting-edge look that's straight out of a tech-savvy blockbuster. Not really, but let's pretend it does. And that's it. Hex broken. Your forms now feature maximize and minimize buttons. And you've leveled up your VBA skills, even though it's been out of fashion for quite some time now. If this tutorial helped you enhance your Excel user forms, make sure to like and subscribe to Hexbreaker Tech. After all, in the world of VBA, we're here to make your experience as exciting as an outdated Gossip Girl blast.